Are you looking for the best mini gaming PC? In this video we will look at some of the best mini gaming PC on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ACEMAGIC S1 Mini PC. Our W11 RGB vertical mini PC stands out from the competition with its unique vertical design and colorful RGB backlighting to create a nice and stylish atmosphere. The upright design also saves space on your desk and provides easy access to ports and buttons. With our mini PC, you get practical and stylish equipment. Our mini PC is equipped with 3 adjustable modes: performance mode, balanced mode, and power saving mode. You can easily switch between these modes depending on your needs. Whether you're working on resource-intensive tasks or just using your mini PC to surf the web, our mini PC offers the flexibility and functionality you need to complete your tasks efficiently. One of the highlights of our mini PC is its 16GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB SSD storage capacity. This memory configuration is ideal for tasks that require a large amount of RAM and fast storage. Plus, our mini PC provides a fast and smooth user experience that improves the efficiency and productivity of your work. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor is a mobile processor based on the 7nm Zen 3 architecture, offering a maximum frequency of 4.4 GHz. It has 8 physical cores and 16 threads, providing high performance and excellent multitasking capacity. In addition, it is equipped with AMD's Precision Boost 2 technology and Smart Access memory technology, improving the efficiency of internal data transfers. At the same time, the AMD Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics card is an integrated graphics card with 7 compute units and 448 stream processors. It supports DirectX 12 and Vulkan and offers excellent game rendering and video processing performance. In graphics and compute-heavy tasks, its performance is also excellent. Number 2. ACEMAGIC S1 Mini PC. ACEMAGIC S1 Mini PC has an LCD display, RGB lighting, a magnetic design that makes it easy to replace memory, a vertical mini PC equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N97 processor, up to 3.6 GHz, 6MB level 3 cache. S1 small PC is a reliable mini PC that allows you to complete daily tasks quickly and easily. It's perfect for office work, online training, 4K video playback, and so much more. The ACEMAGIC S1 Mini PC comes with a custom LCD display. The display allows you to easily see the working status, time, temperature, etc. of the mini PC. At the same time, you can change the background of the LCD display according to your wishes. Choose S1 and customize your unique mini PC. The colorful design of the RGB lighting brings a brilliant color to your life and work. S1 RGB Mini PC with 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz, 512GB M.2 NVMe SSD, 2 M.2 slots, one accepts SATA SSD, the other is PCIe. SATA adaptive, maximum 4 TB. More memory, less latency. This mini computer offers enough storage space and speed to switch between apps and store all your files. Unique magnetic design, memory expansion in 1 second. 2.5-inch HD, SSD not supported, built-in dual-band 802.11 AX, 2.4G/5G Wi-Fi 6. Increases the maximum transmission speed to 9.6 Gbps compared to 3.5 Gbps of Wi-Fi 5, providing a dual, new, and faster internet experience when browsing, streaming, and light gaming. The dual LAN port design provides more possibilities for networking. Bluetooth 5.2 also allows you to easily connect Bluetooth devices such as wireless keyboards and mice. Number 3. Beelink S5 Max Mini PC. Beelink S5 Ryzen Mini PC equips with 6-core/12-thread AMD Ryzen 5 5560U up to 4.0 GHz. The base frequency is 2.3 GHz. The dynamic frequency can reach 4.0 GHz. Beelink Mini PC Risen is a robust hub for your every work and gaming need. Beelink Micro PC, excellent in 2 tubes and 1 fan design, makes it excellent in texture, durable and keeps it cool. Standby for a day without getting hot. This mini computer comes with the AMD 7nm processor and 16GB DDR4 memory. Can upgrade to 64GB, 2x32GB, 500GB NVMe SSD. This high-performance mini PC designed by our talented European designers delivers enough power and storage for you to play, create and enjoy all day. Beelink Mini PC integrates AMD Radeon Graphics 6-core 1600MHz GPU to deliver powerful graphics processing power to easily handle the demands of complex design software, 4K at 60Hz UHD video editing, and playback, or light gaming. And it can connect 3 screens, efficiently handle your tasks, and meet your specific needs. Number 4. Beelink Sur 5 Pro Mini PC. Beelink Sur 5 Max equipped with AMD Ryzen 7 5800H, up to 4.4 GHz, which adopts an 8-core/16 thread. The base frequency is 3.2 GHz. Max turbo frequency can reach 4.4 GHz. Ensure seamless multitasking and no delay switching at work. Provide the next generation of multitasking experience, and bring processing speed, energy efficiency, productivity, and all-around performance to new heights. Beelink Mini PC, driven by the AMD 7nm processor and 16GB DDR4 memory, can upgrade to 64GB, 2x32GB, 500GB NVMe SSD. This high-performance mini PC designed by our talented European designers delivers enough power and storage for you to play, create and enjoy all day. Beelink 5800H integrates AMD Radeon Graphics 8-core 2000MHz GPU to deliver powerful graphics processing power to easily handle the demands of complex design software, 4K at 60Hz UHD video editing, and playback, or light gaming. And it can connect 3 screens. Mini desktop PC equipped with a gigabit Ethernet LAN, RJ45, supporting gigabit file transfer speeds, dual band 2.4G 5G Wi-Fi, 802.11 acres, stronger capacity of resisting disturbance, and built-in Bluetooth. High-speed wireless connection makes you step ahead. Number 5. Eglobal VX2 Mini PC. DC plus 12 volts tilde plus 19 volts. Recommend 19 volts 13.169.47A. Ensure stable power supply with a recommended 19 volts 13.169.47A DC output for optimal performance. Win 10 Win 11, choose your operating system with compatibility for both Win 10 and Win 11. Empower gaming computer vertical bar i9.12900K vertical bar processor model, R9 5900H 5800U. Equipped with a powerful R9 5900H processor, this mini gaming PC delivers top-tier performance for demanding games. Wi-Fi 6, stay connected with the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology for faster and more reliable internet connections.